Make money online only with ChatGPT and artificial intelligence. It is very exciting that you can make money online without doing anything, just with AI. Watch the end of this video carefully so you don't miss any of the point. The third thing we need to do is go to OpenAI.com. OpenAI, it's the platform that basically ChatGPT. So when you get here, you scroll down and go try ChatGPT. Create an account with your email, which is perfectly fine. So try this abstract, and after that it's very good. This window pop up right here, which is really crazy because this is where it's supposed to do the work for you. About showing you is going to pay you to write articles, but what do you want to ask to do it for you? So the first article that one of the sites I'm going to show you wants you to write an article about healthcare. So what you can do is type below here, and you just want to type a request for ChatGPT. So ask it what you want it to do. So I would you like to say, can you write 1,000 words essay on healthcare innovations? As you can see here, I'm sure I'd be happy to have a healthcare blog article that covers the latest news in the healthcare. As you can see, he wrote a whole article for me. Now don't worry if you don't like the article or you want to dive into a specific topic, because I found that this article has about 5 main topics that I said what I wanted to write, especially about telehealth is good, like getting healthcare from home on your phone through a mobile app. So I thought it would be interesting. So what I did was ask ChatGPT to write. I said, can you write 1,000 word essay, the impact of healthcare and the growth we will see from it in the healthcare industry. I thought this would be a more interesting article for a website that pays me, because if we write a more interesting article, they might pay me more. That's why I did it. Literally, I will show you that for this type of articles you get paid the pay from $200 to $100 per article. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this article right here and save it somewhere. So save it in a Microsoft Word document or a Google Docs. And we're going to send it to a certain website. Now there's 3 sites, and the first one I'm going to show you is that they have some high-paying jobs, but some of them aren't that high, so you want to save. At the end of this, I'm going to show you a website that is supposed to show you the most stable high-paying job. So let's go ahead and jump it. The first website is called freelancer.com. Don't worry, you're not going to be a freelancer, you're just going to post jobs. Well, you're just going to go to jobs that are already listed here and you're going to get paid. So when you go to the top jobs that we've typed in writing good jobs is, so I just put the writing in there. Then what you want to do is make sure that the online job is a good. You may have to go in person, so we don't want that. If you want to work from home and do it remotely from anywhere in the world, Now you go to fixed price projects because it lists hourly projects. If you agree with that, that's fine, but I like fixed price projects because what you can see is the projects are the prices. There are different ones like $100 and $200 and thousands of dollars. If you start at the bottom, the prices will be different, and there are all kinds of writing jobs like content producers. There are so many people all over the world who need a content writer. So you need them, your desired offer, and so you can see we were able to prepare an article in just a few seconds with ChatGPT, and they will pay you after reviewing it. Now let's go to site 2. This site is called Upwork. You may know Upwork lists your profile, just saying, hi, I can do these things that you can do, but there are things here that are already listed, like companies that already need to do this, like the last website I showed you. So what I did was I put article writing under jobs here and then change it to talent hiring professionals and agencies. And so you can see they need a lot of writers to produce content of them. All the jobs were posted here, and so you can see they will pay you different amounts. Now we go to the third site, which is Google approved and has even higher paying jobs, and one is called Google Jobs. You just type in Google Jobs and they have their listing here. They want to check the internet for different job listing. You can see that these are all freelance jobs that you can choose to freelance. I put the essay writing jobs, and then you can scroll down and see that the essay writing jobs pay different amounts per hour, from $50 to thousands of dollars. And there are all these different jobs you can apply for, and some of them even have health benefits like health insurance, dental insurance. Therefore, you can easily earn thousands of dollars per month with an artificial intelligence such as ChatGPT.